Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily auto-refresh your site, whatever it is, on YouTube, on Google. So what you want to do is just write to Google auto-refresh extension. When you got it, you got it here, right here, auto-refresh. Just add to Chrome, add extension, and right away you got it. So what you want to do, let's say that I got this video here, that's this site here, and I want to refresh it every 4 seconds. You can activate colors and you can start, and let's see, it's going to refresh every 4 seconds from now on. So this is really helpful and really easy to do. And I really hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And that's kind of it. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Yeah, my back hurts.